Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This one is a Lugia mandala because I was playing around with the symmetry tools in Photoshop, and yeah, I never really realized, well, I mean, of course I realized I could color them in, but I never actually did, because I have many little mandala doodles, and they just kind of are mandala doodles, but this one's really neat. Like, I might come back and finish it, actually. You can expect stickers like this from me. These are really, really fun, and I think they look really, really cool. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about it. I guess I'll just let you guys enjoy the music. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.